Today is a very beautiful day in the mountains. As you can see, I'm enjoying myself on this little mini fall autumn vacation in the beautiful mountains. And this is my brother's Camaro. That's my Q50 that I took. And if you thought Tail the Dragon was nice to drive on, and it's crazy what the Red Tiger dash cam can do, wait until you see Foothills Parkway that we're gonna drive on and do a photo shoot. And just to get off from this cabin down there is very beautiful. So if you hear that exhaust, it's my brother's basically almost straight piped Chevy Camaro V8. And just think about it, how beautiful the view is to get down over here on any car and hit the mountains. His car is so loud you can barely hear mine if I do it. Listen. Like, it's not even that loud. Like, the exhaust is modified. It's not even close to loud as my brother's. Just so you know, if you have watched the Tail of the Dragon video, it did not come without any losses, which is why I may be invested in a carbon fiber trunk sooner or later, because look at this. I had to put crazy glue, flex glue, and flex tape so this thing don't come off, because down here the bolts, oh yeah, they're loose. So I had to glue everything back together. So that's why, so it's getting ugly. So basically, I have to invest in a carbon fiber trunk for my Q50. Finally found a place with no or hardly any cars to take some good photo shots with the drone and just photo shoot in general. So photo shoot going well, but the only bad and downfall of a white car and it's currently raining is the fact when you drive in rain, look at how dirty everything becomes, especially on rear wheel drive. So yeah, but it's okay. Gotta drive the machine. Well, what better way to end the vlog at the fuel pumps, fueling you up, letting her cool off, those turbos cool off, with a C8 Corvette fueling as well.